So guys, Samsung is planning to unveil its Galaxy S9 handset at Mobile World Congress next month. While the Galaxy S8 successor has been teased with the camera improvements, the design of the Galaxy S9 is rumored to be almost identical to the S8. Even Plus has now published what it claims are images of the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. The front of both devices look nearly identical to the S8 and suggested that the Galaxy S9 will have a similar bezel-less display and still feature Samsung's controversial Bixby button. So guys, here are the pictures of the rear side of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. And also we have a hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Here you can see that the fingerprint sensor is vertically aligned with the camera instead of sitting beside it like the S8. This improvement means the fingerprint reader will be located beneath the camera in a more natural position that should be easier to locate. Guys, even Blast claims the Galaxy S9 will include a 5.8-inch display and be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 in the US with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The larger S9 Plus is said to have a 6.2-inch display and 6 GB of RAM with 1 to 8 GB of storage. Both models appear to have hardware updates over the existing S8. Samsung's camera improvement claims a variable aperture on the primary 12-megapixel camera, allowing it to switch between f2.4 and f1.5. Guys, this is the first look of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. What you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in comments below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having been said, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.